The United States has revoked more than 175,000 visas under Trump administration, saying that the action is part of a stricter checks on the foreign nationals. The US Senate Department says that these visa cancellations happened after continuous checks found that some visa holders had broken the US visa rules, committed the crimes, encouraged violence, and committed fraud to create national security concerns. But what does this mean for Indians, by the way? First, there is no official country-wise breakdown yet. So there is no confirmed number showing how many Indian and the visa holders have been revoked. Indians should therefore be very careful about their social media claims suggesting specific numbers. The State Department says that most visa revocations were linked to the encounter with the law enforcement. The major reason included assaults, the drunk driving, theft, and the banned items related crimes. Other cases involved assaults, abuse with the underage people, frauds, and reckless drivings. The important message for the Indian visa holder is simple, not complex, by the way. Having a valid US visa does not guarantee entry or continued permission to stay. A visa is a permission to travel to a US port of an entry and then request admission. Now, US authorities can take action if they believe a person has violated immigration rules or committed serious misconduct. There is another important rule: birth tourism. The State Department said that the US Embassy in North Africa revoked more than 100 visas. Yes, from the parents who allegedly traveled mainly just to give birth to their children in America just to receive a US citizenship. For Indians, this is particularly important because the US has already taken a tougher approach towards people suspected of using visitor visa for purposes that do not match their sorted plans. For Indians, this is particularly important because the US has already taken a tougher approach towards the people suspected of using visitor visa for purposes that do not match their stated plans. So, if you are traveling to America on a tourist visa, student, or work visa, make sure your documents and answers of the truthfulness and consistent. Do not use fake documents, do not hide information, and do not assume that a visa stamp means automatic entry into America. The Trump administration is using visa screening as an enforcement much aggressively. And while at least 175,000 figures do not actually mean 175 were Indians only, Indian travelers and visa holders should expect greater scrutiny. For anyone planning to visit, study, or work or live in the US, the safest strategy is simple. Follow the rules, be truthful, and understand exactly what your visa allows you to do.